Hey everybody, happy Saturday afternoon, wherever you're at in the world. So I just wanted to do a quick video. I was looking for ways to grow my team. I've been with a team of traders for about 6.5 years, and a extremely high percentage just learn how to trade, which is perfect, which is beautiful, which is wonderful. We've had tons of success stories. But I was looking for ways to kind of reach more folks. And I stumbled upon a system that has an untapped lead source with millions of visitors per day, all right, and a software that kind of automatically responds to folks with this particular lead source. And I just kind of stumbled upon this community, this lead source, this group of folks. And there, there's two ways that you can make money. You can obviously continue to grow your list so I can reach to more people in my primary business, or you can resell it. So as you can see, this is from all leads that I've gotten, okay, over the last, 60 days or so. Absolutely unbelievable, right? Because I used to have a list back in the day, as they say, 55,000 folks. And then it kind of went away because most folks weren't really doing email list or list building or anything like that. And I come to find out, you know what, sometimes you just need a break from prospects on social media like Facebook, info. So I kind of went back to old school. And as you can see, that's worked very well. Okay. So if you are interested in learning more about this particular lead source, this company, then you need to reach me. I will send you a 7-minute video. And then if you like what you see and you want more information, I can send you a link to a Facebook group where you can meet the owners, learn more about us, etc. Okay, so just type info below, and have a wonderful day, everybody.